Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to share eligible Amazon Prime benefits with someone in your household using Amazon Family. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so let's get started. First, log into your Amazon account. Move your mouse to the top right corner, hover over Account and Lists, and click Account. Once your account dashboard loads, look through the available options and select your Amazon Family if it's available. Now that you're on the Amazon Family page, look at the Family Member section. Find the tile with the plus sign that says Add a new member and click on it to open the available household options. When the pop-up appears, look for the option labeled Send an Invite and select it. You can then enter the name and email address of the adult you want to invite. Make sure the information is correct before sending the invitation. Once you send the invitation, the person will receive an email with instructions to accept it. They'll need to sign into their own Amazon account and complete the setup. After the invitation is accepted, eligible Prime benefits can be shared according to Amazon's household rules. Keep in mind that Amazon Family and Prime sharing features can vary depending on your country and membership. And that's it. You now know how to send an invitation through Amazon Family. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon guides. Thanks for watching.